Good evening, class. We are going to be working on dot plots today. I know this says dot plots in stem and leaf, but we're going to come back and do stem and leaf another day. So we are working exclusively on dot plots today. A dot plot is a visual display of data using a number line and dots to represent each point. So visual. The data that repeats itself the most often is the mode. In a dot plot, the mode is the tallest or highest value. So I'm going to do this because obviously we're not actually in class right now. So I am going to make up some results. So we're going to give a 0 frequency here because I don't think no one has no screens. We'll have one person here, so a frequency of 1. We'll have a couple people here. We're going to have more people that have more because I just think that's more common. Okay, so we have a 1 here. We have a frequency of 2 here, a frequency of 3, a frequency of 5, a frequency of 7. If you do not know how to make a tally chart, please realize it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your cross means 5. Then you start your next one. Your next cross would be 10. So this one is 5, 10, 11. This one is 6. This one is 8. This one is 6. And this one is also 6. So we are going to create a dot plot right now to show our data. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to have a dot plot that goes from at least 0 to 11. So we're going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now, these are our number of screens. We're going to mark our frequency. We have nothing at 0, so we leave it alone. We're going to put a single dot. I'm going to actually change this over to here. It makes it a little bit easier. I'm going to put a dot here, and then I need 2 dots at 2 screens. I need 3 dots at 3 screens. I need 5 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 4 screens, I need 7 dots at 5 screens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 11 dots at 6 screens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why did I decide to use so many? Then I have 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously, these are supposed to be even, but this is hand drawn. We're just going to go with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 10 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that is what our dot plot looks like. And then we can answer questions off of this. I can ask you, what is the mode? That's the most common question for a dot plot. And so the mode's the one we see the most. So our mode would be the tallest, or is 6. Okay, number 2. Use a dot plot to answer the questions below. It says the Ecological Survey Society is sampled the green iguana population and made note of the length of each iguana sampled. The data is displayed in the dot plot below. So it's asking for some things. First of all, mean I'm going to leave for last because that's hard to do. What is the range? My biggest number minus my smallest number is 19 minus 12, so my range is 7. My median is my middle number. Now you can actually find this by crossing off this way and working your way through. So your median is 16. Now these two you cannot do without doing some other things. So I guess we're going to have to write our list out. So I have a 12, a 13. I have 3 14s. I have 2 15s. I have 3 16s. I have 2 17s. I have 2 18s and a 19. So I have to find IQR. So I'm going to bounce back and forth. 1, 1, 1. Back and forth. So here's my median. I already found that. Now I'm going to find my next one. That's Q1. So that's 14. And then I'm going to do another color and come over here. And there's Q3. So I have 17 minus 14 is 3. That's my IQR. The mean, yeah, you need to add, divide. I'm not doing that here. I'm using the answer key. It is 15.6. When I add up all these numbers and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. We're skipping stem and leaf right now. I would like you to go ahead and copy this down into your notebook. So go ahead and freeze this screen. So we are on dot plot review. Dot plot review. And then we're going to use this to do in class tomorrow. So when you get here, we're going to be recording some heights in inches or centimeters, and we're going to create a dot plot. So I hope you guys have a good evening, and we'll be working more on dot plots tomorrow.